हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। लेट अस सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। ठीक है, ऑलरेडी हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सॉल्व करते हुए ये डिस्कस किया था कि जो गिवन टर्मिनोलॉजी है वो क्या है और उसको कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे। बट एक बार फिर से हम यहाँ रिवाइज कर लेते हैं जो ऑलरेडी हमने बोर्ड पर लिख रखा है। क्या है? फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ फोकाई, द वर्टिसेज, द लेंथ ऑफ मेजर एक्सिस, द लेंथ ऑफ माइनर एक्सिस, द इसेंट्रिसिटी एंड द लेंथ ऑफ लेटस रेक्टम of the ellipse in exercise 1 to 9. So 1 already हमने solve कर रखा है. Now we'll solve question number 3. So since we know that if the denominator of x square by a square is larger than y square by b square, in this case the axis of ellipse will be along x axis. So if here x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1, in this equation denominator of x square is larger than denominator of y square. That means axis will be along x axis. So coordinate of foci in this case will be plus minus c0. Coordinate of vertices is plus minus a0. Length of major axis is 2a. Length of minor axis is 2b. Now eccentricity e equal to c by a and the length of latus rectum is 2b square by 8. ठीक है? So now to solve this solution of 3, how we are going to get? Since we have x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. ठीक है? Now comparing this equation with this equation with x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, we get क्या मिलेगा? a square is 16, that means a equal to 4 and b square is 9 means b equal to 3. So we get a equal to 4 and b equal to 3. ठीक है? So we got the value of a and b. Then what will the value of c? Then c equal to under root a square minus b square. That is 16 minus 9. So this is under root 7. ठीक है? So we got the value of c. Hence the coordinate of foci will be, the coordinate of foci are plus minus under root 7 and 0. ठीक है? Now the a equal to 4 है, so the coordinate of vertices will be, the coordinates of vertices are क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस माइनस 4 एंड 0. थर्ड थिंग, the coordinate length of major axis, equal to 2a. This is equal to 2 into 4, that is 8. ठीक है? Now the length of minor axis is 2b, that is 2 into 3 here, so that will be 6. Length of minor axis is 2b equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. Now eccentricity is e equal to c by a. Eccentricity e equal to c by a. Now e की वैल्यू क्या है? c is under root 7 by a की वैल्यू क्या है? 4. ठीक है? Now the last, length of latus rectum is, ठीक है? Now the length of latus rectum is 2b square by a. So 2b square की वैल्यू कितनी है? 2 into 3 square by a की वैल्यू 4 है. So this is 2 से ये 2 कट जाएगा, that is 9 by 2. ठीक है? सो लेंथ ऑफ लेटस रेक्टम इज 9/2 इन दिस केस। ठीक है, तो नोट करो। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन के साथ। ओके बाय।